Now, the idea here is big Y equals to big M, big X plus C. You notice I use the word big because we are talking about capital letter now. Now, this capital letter X and Y are basically container. It's like a pencil case that contains things inside. So what can it contain? It can contain any X or any Y and any Y. So sometimes it will, I'll go through an example to illustrate this. But then there's one more condition, M must be a number. And lastly, C must be a number and cannot contain any X or Y. This is the most important sentence. Cannot contain any X or Y. Okay, so can you take down, can you take your, right, can you copy this down? I will copy. XY minus 2y square plus 5 is equals to 0. Now, I want to rearrange such that I have this condition. Everything, I have this condition. I have a number that does not contain any xy. Have or don't have? Which number is it? 5. 5, this one. So this is my C. Once you got a C, basically the question is solved already. Now, let's rearrange. So how do I rearrange? Alright, that. Alright. XY is equals to, this one shift over, 2y square, this one shift over, minus 5. Now, Matthew, go away. Now, this thing here is my big Y. Can you write down? This thing here is your big X. So what is your gradient? So gradient is 2. What is my y-intercept? Minus 5. Can you follow? But this is never a straight line. By looking at it, got y square, got xy, confirm this is a curve, right? So what do I need to do? I need to change the vertical axis into xy. I need to change the horizontal axis to y squared. So what it means is, I string a bit. That means over here, can you draw x, y on the vertical axis? Horizontal now become y square. Then suddenly what? This become a straight line. How does a straight line look like? Gradient is 2, y-intercept is minus 5. So minus 5 means what? Minus 5 means here, right? Gradient 2 means slope up or slope down? Slope up. So the line is like that. No. So this is your xy minus 2y square plus 5 equals to 0. Like that. Okay? So let's take a look. So to answer the question, the graph xy against y square is a straight line with gradient equals to 2 and y-intercept is negative 5. Ming Yuan got question? Yes, ask.
Ming Yuan, stop now. So the xy, right, is the big letter y, right?
The xy is a
big letter y.
Yes.
Someone should go ask the different.
Okay. Now, I think some of you still have some question. Like Jing Feng so bored already, sleep already. Now, Jing Feng. Now, what you need to do here is you need to convert this into. So you want to write down big Y equals to M big X plus C. Oh, I forgot something important. Can I write it? Can I write it in red? This Y must be positive 1. That means what? Cannot have 2y, 3y, 4y, must be only 1y. It's the same as the Emax y equals to mx plus c. Yes.
Can y and x be the same like y and y?
Sure. If the equation is like that, why not? But it will never be like that.
But it became like that.
No. Let's take a look. Now, do you notice that over here, there's a blank here, there's a blank here, which means what? Your equation and my equation will be different, but it doesn't matter. You understand? So it doesn't matter as long as you fulfill the big y equals to m big x plus c. Now, next person will help us. We will do together. 3xy equals to 5y minus 2x. Is that a C? No, right? There's no C, right? All about alphabet. This got xy, this got y, this got x. Can you suggest one way to do it so that I will have one term, this is just a number? I give you a clue, it must be divided. It must be divided. Huh?
Very good.
Okay. Divide by 3 doesn't help. Because divide by 3, I got xy, I got y, I got x. Divide by x will help. Let's try. Divide by x.
You can divide by 3
Can. So divide by x. Now let's do together. Divide by x, the first one, what do I get? 3y. Second one. Now notice how I write my y over x. I will write it like a multiply like that. Why is it like that? Because I write like that, I can read the gradient very easily. Now this is exactly the same as this. It's the same. But if I write the bottom one, the gradient is not that clear.
So why you never put the y over x? Why you put y over x?
Oh, because gradient is just a number, ma.
But you cannot put y over x.
Yes, you can, but can you tell me which one is the gradient in the third one?
Huh?
Huh? Wrong.
You don't have x.
Gradient is a number. How can gradient be x? Now, I am not done yet.
Oh.
I'm not done yet. I have a minus 2 at the back. Yes, minus 2 is a C. Then what? Then why do I talk about the second one and third one, is it? Okay. Why do I talk about the second one? Because usually I divide by x, I will write the 5y over x, right? Now when I write 5 over x, the gradient is not clear. The first one is I write 5 over x times y. I write that even worse, the gradient is not clear. So, simple setup. Jinfeng, can you tell us the next one? Can I hashtag here already or I must do one more step? Divide by 3. Now divide by 3, now what do you write? You will write something like that. Y equals to 5 over 3 bracket y over x minus 2 over 3. Do you see I purposely write the number together? I purposely write the alphabet in an isolated bracket. Now, if I write this way, right, is it very clear what is my big Y? What is it?
Y.
No, big Y. And
But if 5 over 3.
big X,
Y over x.
Y over X. What is the set? These 2 over 3. What is your question? This one. Go where? Oh, because I divide by X, right? First set is divide by X. So when divide by X, you see the Y divided by X will be Y over X. Why is it I isolate it into one bracket so that the number 5 is very obvious? I want to treat the gradient just like that. So that's why the alphabet together multiply by the number together. Come again. Minus 2 This one, this 2 No, this 2 is confusion. This 2 is not necessary. Hey, Why is it these two? Because your friends brought up these two and asked me, teacher, can I write 5y over x? Answer is no. Can I write 5 over x times y? Answer is no. Because writing these two, it doesn't help you to understand what is gradient. Now this one is crystal clear already. Now can you transfer the axis here? What is the first alphabet? This is y against y over x. What's the gradient? 5 over 3. What's the y-intercept? Can you transfer over here? Negative 2 over 3, a straight line. Just like that. Okay? Okay. Okay, can I go through the last one? Do I already have a C?
Yes.
Where's the C? This is my C, right? Do I already have one, big one?
No.
Log is okay. But the number in front, is it 1? Girls? So the number in front is 1 already, right? Therefore, this is already done. No need to change anything. It's okay. As long as the number is 1 can already. As long as you can see can already.
When we bring down the 2,
Huh?
you bring down the 2 for the y square.
No, you don't bring down. You keep it upstairs. That is why the oh. Oh. Okay. This one got a slight change. Now, Jiaxuan, look at the axis here. They purposely tell you they only want log y. They don't want log y squared. They purposely tell you they want log y. So what happens is, I must copy log y and then the 2 must come down to have the log y. Come again? How do I? No, the log you need to remove, but the 2 can come down, right? Power can come down. Huh? Because the question already say I want log y. I don't want y. I want log y. So what happened after next? I don't want the 2. What can I do? Divide the 2. So this one will be log y. This will be 3 root x minus 2. So you double check. The x-axis is correct. The y-axis is correct. Therefore, the question is done already. Yes. So this is vertical is log y, horizontal is root x, Isabel, and the gradient is 3. The y-intercept is minus 2, and then there's a line up. No, but sometimes they will. So they will tell you what they want to draw. I will show you exact question later, okay? But you roughly got an idea? Yes, Now, the next exercise require you to recap, So first law says the power can come down. Second law says you can split into a product and a sum. Third one says, done. Right, let's